finally day 4. I'm finally available for the ecto chopper. You'll be wondering, why the heck is it flipped like that? You're gonna know, because while I was waiting for Sergio to be available for the ecto chopper over the weeks, I noticed that the bottom of it was completely dirty because of all the dirt, because we just decided to paint it in the dirt. So we're gonna clean it, and some of the other stuff is drying. We're like drying the seat. We're gonna clean this thing up and maybe paint this part or something. And yeah. And we might be able to get to the wood part because the wood is ready, so we can add on those dumb doors. Okay. Annabelle! Come on. So yeah, I might start washing it now. Sergio! I just got the information that we can now start washing it. Okay, let's do this. Let me just make sure it's on. Oh my God, yes it is. Yeah, this thing is dirty, bro. Oh! Oh! Come on, bro. Oh! This thing is dirty as heck, bro. This is how you really do it. It's like a power wash or something. This is how you really wash stuff. You gotta wash it like this, and then you gotta go like this. Ah! This is gonna take a long time. Let's go to the back. Okay, I don't think much is like dirty over here. It's just really the bottom. Although, could get some of these tops, like over here, like on this side. Also, I have the Apple Watch Series 10 now. Luckily, it's waterproof, so if I get my watch wet, then it's fine. I hope I'm not spraying the camera. Bro, I just tripped against a stick. I just got buffooned, bro.
Let's go wash this. What's going on? Did you start?
I know, I already did. I
No, hold on.
tried to find all the places,
gotta
and it
go,
looked
look.
good.
Look, you gotta go like this.
Oh yeah, I was thinking about changing the modes, but I was like, how?
Changing the modes.
Just make it. No, don't do that. We have a camera. It could get wet. And great.
All right. Now you gotta get a towel and dry it.
Oh my god. I'm gonna be right back. Annabelle? Hey, come here when you talk. I was waiting. Let's do this. Let's dry this thing. Ugh! This thing is dirty as heck, bro. I don't know why Sergio washed this part when it didn't get dirty. The only part that got dirty was the bottom. Come on. My friend Annabelle's here. Show him to the camera. Come introduce Fred. My friend's playing around with his skeleton. There he is.
awesome backflips.
Ooh, wait, do that again. Watch this, guys. Ooh.
Dry it.
Whoa, he's got a little freaky, bro. It is dry. I literally can't find a spot that's wet. Wait. Ah! Why aren't you helping?
I'm painting over here.
Well, I pretty much dried
Oh my God,
it.
Fred!
I pretty much dried it. It's technically dry. I'm just gonna leave that there. Wait. Just in case for the front. I'm gonna put this towel over it like that. You can see all the dirt in it. Okay, guys.
Guys, Fred has to say
Wait, come
hi.
see my skeleton. I'm gonna show them my skeleton. Come here.
Wait.
I have a skeleton that's sitting at the end of the road, and it's so big.
I know. Fred broke his leg.
Oh my God, bro! Look at that!
Ah! Fred broke both his legs.
Oh my God, it's Jason Murphy!
Fred broke.
Come on, let's go see my skeleton.
Fred broke both of his legs.
I tried it. I'm showing you something. I tried it.
Fred broke both of his legs.
Why is he just sitting against a tree?
Oh my gosh.
He's just sitting against
He has
a
a
tree.
knife.
What are you? Oh my God! Yeah, we put that. No, don't grab that. It's there. It's there so then people don't.
Oh my God.
It's there. It's there so people don't think that it's free. That's a skeleton. Come on, let's go. We need to make it back to. Oh my God! He died. I'm so sorry if you just got dizzy. I can't even place the cat, bro.
Fred, are you okay? Bro, he just broke a rib.
And you broke my eye. I can't even place the camera down.
Montage. It's not even.
Okay, this camera's being like my iPad is being goofy.
Oh my gosh, Fred!
It won't work when it was working before.
Wait, record this real quick.
Why must you not
Record this.
work?
Oh my gosh, Fred! You good? Oh, I'll make sure it's good.
Bro, I will unsubscribe from your YouTube channel.
Wait, you actually subscribe?
You have a YouTube channel now.
I know.
Go subscribe.
Fred, what? Keep up. Fred!
Oh my God, bro. I'm just gonna do any extra edges. I'm gonna try and look around. I think everything's good, but I'm gonna try and look around. Wait. Yeah, I think it's pretty much dry. Oh my God, what are you doing, Fred, bro?
Bro.
Now it's time to move the camera to the other spots that have paint because we're painting some other stuff now. We have the seats that are getting painted right now.
All right, Fred's coming. Is Fred coming, bro?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Did you know Fred? Did you know Fred's a ninja too?
No me importa lo que de mí se diga.
Got it is the other place. Don't mind the music in the background. What do you think if we had the hose we could
nothing out here.
No, I mean back there. Don't mind all the paint fumes.
Wait, what if Fred?
I can smell paint fumes and it smells so bad. Why would you throw Fred? Fred threw himself. What? No, he didn't. Might be the perfect size vehicle. Wait, he can have a ride. There to go. Look at this. Now let's see if it works. Oh my God! What? No, we were about to show them. Why wouldn't you fix it up? Wait. It smells so bad. Trust me, if you were here right now, if you were watching us right now, we're gonna drink. All I'm doing right now. No! You always ask and you always know. Fine.
Go bring your poker stick.
Give me him. I've taken him. When he turns. Yeah, guys, he's in his new whip. Fred's in his new whip, and he's stuck. He can't get out. Bro can literally not get out of his car. Perfect. His hand is bended backwards. Guys, this thing I'm gonna cut right now because it's really looking, yeah. Yeah, so unfortunately I didn't get to finish it, but basically while I was painting these little control things, Sergio went in the back and painted the rest of the bottom of it, and he was going to work to get his thing so we can make the doors, but unfortunately we didn't have time to, so yeah. But see you in the next one.